1. Which of the following substances triggers a hypersensitivity reaction? A. Allergen. B. Pathogen. C. Immunogen. D. Fibrinogen.
The correct answer is allergen. Explanation. An allergen is a substance that triggers a hypersensitivity reaction, commonly known as an allergic reaction. This occurs when the immune system overreacts to an otherwise harmless substance, such as pollen, pet dander, or certain foods, leading to symptoms like itching, swelling, and respiratory issues. Pathogen. A pathogen is a microorganism, like bacteria, viruses, or fungi, that causes disease, not a hypersensitivity reaction. Immunogen. An immunogen is any substance that can provoke an immune response, but it does not necessarily cause a hypersensitivity reaction. Fibrinogen. Fibrinogen is a protein involved in blood clotting, not in triggering hypersensitivity reactions.
2. Which of the following processes occurs both in oogenesis and in the development of sperm? A. Fertilization. B. Meiosis. C. Development of a Graafian follicle. D. Formation of polar bodies.
The correct answer is meiosis. Explanation. Meiosis is the process of cell division that occurs in both oogenesis, the development of eggs in females, and spermatogenesis, the development of sperm in males. Meiosis reduces the chromosome number by half, ensuring that when fertilization occurs, the resulting zygote has the correct diploid chromosome number. Fertilization. Fertilization occurs after oogenesis and spermatogenesis, but it is not part of either process. Development of a Graafian follicle. The Graafian follicle is a structure that forms in the ovary during oogenesis, but it is not part of spermatogenesis. Formation of polar bodies. This occurs only in oogenesis, where polar bodies are formed as byproducts of the unequal division of cytoplasm. It does not occur in spermatogenesis.
3. Which of the following blood elements is involved in protecting the body from pathogens? A. Erythrocytes. B. Electrolytes. C. Leukocytes. D. Thrombocytes.
The correct answer is leukocytes. Explanation. Leukocytes, or white blood cells, are responsible for protecting the body from pathogens, such as bacteria, viruses, and other foreign invaders. They are a key component of the immune system and are involved in identifying and neutralizing harmful microorganisms. Erythrocytes. These are red blood cells that carry oxygen to tissues but are not involved in immune defense. Electrolytes. These are ions, such as sodium, potassium, and chloride, that help regulate fluid balance and other physiological processes, but they do not directly protect the body from pathogens. Thrombocytes. Also known as platelets, thrombocytes are involved in blood clotting and wound healing, not pathogen defense.
9. Which of the following structures is located at the neck of the bladder and surrounds the urethra in a male client? A. Testes. B. Prostate. C. Bulbourethral. D. Rugae.
The correct answer is prostate. Explanation. The prostate is a gland located at the neck of the bladder in males and surrounds the urethra. It plays a role in producing seminal fluid, which mixes with sperm to form semen. The prostate can enlarge with age, which may affect urination by compressing the urethra. Testes. The testes are located in the scrotum and are responsible for producing sperm and testosterone, but they do not surround the urethra. Bulbourethral. These glands, also known as Cowper's glands, are located below the prostate and secrete fluid into the urethra, but they do not surround it. Rugae. Rugae are folds in the bladder wall that allow it to expand, but they do not surround the urethra.
11th. Which of the following structures is part of the glottis? A. Cricoid cartilage. B. True vocal cords. C. Thyroid cartilage. D. Adam's apple.
The correct answer is true vocal cords. Explanation. The glottis is the part of the larynx that includes the true vocal cords, or vocal folds, and the space between them, which is responsible for sound production during speech. When air passes through the glottis, it causes the vocal cords to vibrate, producing sound. Cricoid cartilage. This is a ring-shaped cartilage located below the glottis in the larynx, but it is not part of the glottis itself. Thyroid cartilage. This is a large cartilage in the larynx, commonly known as the Adam's apple. It provides structure and protection, but is not part of the glottis. Adam's apple. This refers to the visible projection of the thyroid cartilage in the neck, not the glottis.
Get unlimited access to expertly crafted practice questions at acenursingexam.com. Why choose us? 3,500 plus high-quality questions. Practice on questions designed to mirror real exam scenarios. In-depth explanations. Understand not just the what, but the why behind every answer. Affordable and accessible, all for just $57 a month. No hidden fees. Parting joke. What's a nursing student's favourite subject? Anatomy. It's head and shoulders above the rest.